Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, I finally got the 94 Mustang GT back in the shop, and today we're going to jack it up, see what mufflers are on it, because I know they're not Flowmasters, and we're going to cut them off and try out a set of Flowmaster Super 10s on this thing. I have not heard a Mustang with Super 10s on it yet, so that's going to be a fun project for today. When this thing, I first got it, had tailpipes on it, sounded really good with tailpipes. Then we cut the tailpipes off and just ran them right out the mufflers. Sounded even better. It was nice and throaty. Almost made it sound like it had quite a lumpy cam in it. Then we put dumps right off the mufflers, and it smoothed the car out so much that it's just boring now. So we got to make this thing louder and funner. That way when we do a burnout, it's going to be a lot funner burnout. Nobody wants to hear a burnout with, quiet mufflers. So pulling in the shop now, and we're going to cut them off. So there we go. We got them off, and they are thrush mufflers. Thank you, but no thank you. We will go to the Flowmasters. We took a couple of pieces off the Monster Blazer. I did not like the 2.5-inch exhaust on it anyways. It was touching the transfer case and up and over the cross member, which I'm not a fan of. So we can use all the pipes from it. And we're going to make up a little exhaust system for this, and we're going to run it straight out the back of the Flowmasters with no dumps and see what we think. We got no power in the shop today for some strange reason. Well, thought I might start it, see what you think it sounds like. Let's roll the window down so you can hear it with the new Flowmaster 10s. Sounds pretty impressive. Like out back. Sure made that thing a little lumpier. I haven't changed cams or anything, but the car definitely got lumpy. To know. A little wet out, so it'll be no problem. Oh yeah. Holy crap, it's all there now. I'd say it lights them up no problem. Like never before. Can't wait to try this thing out on the road. Well then, I think we have some fun to be had in this thing because it lights them up no problem now. Before last summer when we drove, I was a little bit hesitant. I know these tires grab because they're so big and they're so soft. Did not want to break anything, but the car's really tight, feels really good. And wow, it will light those big tires up like nothing. Yes, it's a little wet right now, but I don't think that's going to change matters. I can tell there is a massive difference in power already. So, we'll be trying this thing out soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.